Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a collaborator on Wix step by step. I'll be showing you this on desktop in a web browser. First, log in to wix.com. Once you're on your account homepage, you'll see your site or sites listed. Click on the site you want to add a collaborator to. This takes you to your site's dashboard, where you'll see the left-hand menu. Next, we need to get to roles and permissions. In the left-hand menu, look for Settings. Click on Settings, then click on Roles and Permissions. Once that loads, you'll see the Roles and Permissions dashboard. At the top, there's a progress bar showing how many collaborator seats you have filled. Now, look for a button labeled Invite Collaborators. It might also say Invite People, depending on your version, both do the same thing. Click that button. A dialog box opens where you can enter email addresses and assign roles. In the dialog, you'll see a field labeled Emails at the top. Click into that field and type the email address of the person you want to invite. If you're inviting multiple people, you can add more than one email here. Just separate each address with a comma. The addresses will appear in the field as you type. Below the email field, you'll see a list of role checkboxes. These are the different permission levels you can assign. The main one is admin, also called co-owner, which gives full access to your site and dashboard. Depending on which Wix apps you use, you might see other roles like website manager or blog editor. Click the checkbox next to each role you want to assign to your collaborator. The checkboxes will tick as you select them. Once you've entered the email and selected the roles, look for a button at the bottom of the dialog. It'll say Send Invites or Send Invite. Click that button. The dialog closes and the invitation is sent. A couple of things to keep in mind. The invitation email expires 30 days after you send it, so make sure your collaborator accepts it before then. They'll get an email with an Accept Invite link. Once they click that and log in or create a Wix account, the seat is filled. If you want to check whether someone's accepted, just go back to Roles and Permissions in your dashboard and you'll see their status. And if they don't get the email, you can resend the invitation from the same screen or ask them to check their spam folder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.